Kan National People's Party NPP kelayo ban keput kelayu saleng sangma MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency dakabayo jingjob na result election MLA shiteng samay na Gambagire constituency haka apply tarik na wing arajar psaw. Ka Dr. Mehtap Chandi sangma kadai ka kurim u Konrad ke sangma menteri langba ka jala bat national president ke NPP kelayo ya ka jingjob ka Badun Burom Nakani ka result election MLA shiteng samoy dakabayo khur hadu khadar hajar riuspa nyofu prabut dakani ka jingjob ka Dr. Mehtap ka jingdon ki MLA ka NPP hayeng do barthawan ka jala kalakiu shakalai puar ngun hadien bakut ka jingyo vote ka Dr. Mehtap kala job da saw hajar sanspa knaif saw vote dakabat tam ya ka kertong ka All India Trinamool Congress ka sadhya rani kalayo ban khur pra hajar prap saw vote katba u jingjang marak ka Congress Ubawan balai ulayo khur nyo hajar driuspa khandai pesan vote nagani ka result ka BJP lengbau Bernard and Marak kelayo khur tang nyospa shifau vote vote deki kertong simet katau Jerry Sangma ubayo nyospa driu vote bat useng kerabat Marak ulayo tang shispa sau funyo vote Kuman syukudo baya kani ka election shiteng samoy na kani ka constituency lapenlong hadien ka jingino usaleng sangma ka kam MLA hadien mulasa jit kumu MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency haka sautarik jeliau arjar psaw usaleng hakatei ka election MP Lok Sabha ulapenlim ya ka anggatha ke sangma ka parau Konrad ke sangma bat menta hakani kentipat uklemla ban penjob yo porlok jongu kata ujingjang marang.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambagire have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Gambagire for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambagire that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambagire. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtap Chandi Sangma in this past by-election.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya